Let's create a basic table to practice our first Excel worksheet. Create column headers. Cell A1, Serial No. Press Tab. Cell B1, Name. Press Tab. Cell C1, City. Press Tab. Cell D1, Salary, June. Press Tab. Cell E1, Salary, July. Press Tab. Cell F1, Salary, August. Press Enter. You can see that the full month name is not visible. To overcome this, we adjust column width by holding between two column line or simply double tap. Cell G1, Total Salary. Press Tab. Cell H1, Average Salary. Press Enter. Insert serial numbers. Cell A2, 1. Press Enter. Cell A3, 2. Select cells A2 and A3. For the selection of cells, we can use Ctrl plus navigation keys or Ctrl plus Shift plus navigation keys. Drag the fill handle, small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cells, down to cell A11. Insert random data. Cells B2 to B11, enter random names. Cells C2 to C11, enter random cities. Cells D2 to F11, enter random salary amounts for June, July, and August respectively.